No matter what happened or how far I may go or have gone, she's, in my eyes, the most beautiful girl.
There's no other feeling when I'm next to you. No one else around, just a space for two.
Only girl that I have eyes for.
There's no better feeling when I'm close to you. I look into your eyes as an ocean blue. When I'm down, you lift my feet off the ground.
I'm the only girl that I can see myself being with for as long as there's breath in my body. So that's the one thing. No matter what happens, I want you to always remember that.
There's no better feeling when I'm close to you. I look into your eyes as an ocean blue. When I'm down, you lift my feet off the ground. You lift my feet off the ground. You lift my feet off the ground.
I knew that she had to be the one when I was migrating from Jamaica after high school. She sees that we do have something special. You know, she showed me that she was really committed to our relationship, and that just reinforced my belief that I had, but I never expressed it to her. So if she was willing to take that chance with me, I knew that, you know what, I won't let her regret.
I remember when I first saw you, you were smiling, and I was too. You look beautiful, just like you always do. I was thinking that we could be best friends. I was hoping that this would never end. You were skeptical, but I was confident.
It doesn't matter if you think it's weird, once it makes her happy, she'll just enjoy herself. She don't watch anybody at all, she just do her thing, and I admire that, and I love that about her.
You were all I ever saw since day one.
The union of husband and wife is intended by God for their mutual joy. Marriage is not to be entered into unadvisedly or lightly, but reverently, deliberately, and in accordance with the purposes for which it was instituted by God. Who gives this woman to be married to this man?
She gave herself with the blessing of her parents.
It takes a special kind of man to pledge his life to a woman that can beat you, that can bury you, and based upon her avocation, she can bust the case out.
Those long talks, those late nights, spent staring in your eyes.
Our first kiss, our first fight, those long walks in moonlight. All that time, I knew that my heart would not go back. I'd fallen, or we'd fallen since day one.
Today will actually be the day that you love your wife the least, because each day you should love her more and more.
All I ever saw since day one.
When Gavin first told me about Tashauna, and I remember how he was speaking about her, and immediately I said to myself, he's done. He's gonna be with her for the rest of his life. without a doubt, I knew it because Gavin completely changed when he met her.
Nothing fazed this girl or made her nervous, but when Gavin came into the picture, all composure was lost. This girl, oh, she was stumbling over herself.
I, Gavin, Alex Stewart, take you, Tashauna Antoinette Kimberly Granum, to be my wife.
I, Tashauna Antoinette Kimberly Granum, take you, Gavin Alex Stewart, to be my husband.
The heaven to hold,
From this day forward,
for better for worse,
for richer, for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
to love and to cherish,
until we are parted by death.
this is my solemn vow.
Having witnessed your vows of love to one another, it is my joy to present you all gathered here as husband and wife. Gavin, you may kiss your bride.